और Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri Khohram Uzbekistan Georgia China Philippines but kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges batru hakador babiang
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka KMST Shillong kan lej bani Shim Bynta ha ka Rainforest Challenge India arta apsan kaban long nadu ka arpu pratrik unaitung hadu ka laitrik unailar arta apsan hagua ka RFC ka dikaway na ki Jingïakob nya kali ka bapaw ha ka perthai banya ha ki Surok Khohram ki ba ebha unong yalam jokani Kynhun u wiki kharkongor ulai thu ba Kynhun kala ap khami lenti la shiphouse namenta manyo e Shim Bynta ha ka ni ka Jingïakob ka ba e tam ha ka perthai kani ka Kynhun kala pen khre baharu yala die khnang makin la ban yo ya ka nam jam bat kan long ru ka buram ya ka jilla hi barok away.
The reason why we are gathered here today is because we are participating in one of the most looked forward 4x4 event in the country, and it's been almost 10 years that we have been waiting for this particular day so that we can go and participate. So first of all, I would like to thank Meghalaya Tourism, who has promoted our endeavor, and Hello Meghalaya and Department of Youth Affairs, through which we are able to join this particular event. For all those who have, I guess, maybe some knowledge about 4x4. 4x4 is basically a kind of vehicle which we use for rough terrains. So, and 4x4 is a sport which is very renowned across the world. And Rainforest Challenge is one of the it's the fifth toughest off-road challenge in the world. And Rainforest Challenge India is the India chapter of it. Meghalaya has a hilly terrain, as we are all aware of, and we are actually good drivers. When we have seen this across India, the challenge, we have seen that it's really increasing, and there is somewhere that we are lacking, and this particular challenge will give us that kind of an exposure where we can go and compete on a national level. So this particular trip we have a tagline which is called From the Hills to Goa. We are also planning to document the whole program. So we will be starting tomorrow at 1 o'clock at midnight, and we are traveling with a team of 3 vehicles, one service vehicle with all the spares and other parts, and the main competition vehicle will be traveling on a trailer. It is a learning experience for us as well. What we do is we make, and then we break, and then we make it again. So, and it's a continuous process. So, and it's taken us like 10 long years to reach where we have reached now. But still, we still lag. So now at the national level, we are looking up to a lot of things, like the technical aspects of how we can better ourselves. How we can use technology, how we can use computers, how we can upgrade our level. So that's one of the things that we are really looking forward to, especially in this competition. So it's a skill-based game, and technology is something that will aid you. So basically, we have to know both. Across there are 3 categories. One is the Pro Modified Extreme category, one is the Modified category, and one is the Stock category. So across India, there are only 75 teams that will be participating. We are participating in the Modified category. This is one team. So we are a well-equipped team. We are traveling with mechanics. We are traveling with the service crew. So if during the competition if we face any technical issues or any breakdowns, then we will be able to make the vehicle right away. So we are traveling as a self-sufficient unit.